Hi, my name is Sadie and I'm in grade 9 and I'm a student at PTEC.
I'm Harrison Guthrie. I'm in grade 9.
Hi, my name's Grace. I'm in grade 9.
Hello, I'm Ashley. I'm in grade 9.
Hello, this is Jess Mosienko here.
I'm V. I'm in grade 9.
My name is Manuela. I'm in grade 9.
Hi, I'm Nicholas Varnich, and I'm in grade 9 of PTEC.
My name is Daria. I'm from grade 9.
Hi, my name is Enar Elag, and I'm a grade 9 student at PTEC.
Sam McBride in grade 9. PTEC has been awesome so far.
Hi, my name is Kanae Johnson. I'm in grade 10. This is my second year in PTEC.
My name is Jaden. I am currently a grade 10 student at PTEC and Oakland Park.
So I am Leanna, I'm in grade 10 and I go to Shaftesbury as my host high school.
Hi, my name is Tyson and I'm in grade 10.
Hi, my name is Keno. I am a student of PTEC.
Hi, my name is Ikma. I am a grade 10 student at PTEC.
PTEC's been great, honestly. I found my people. It's a lot of fun here. Everyone's so kind and everything. The teachers, the students, everyone just wants to help each other out, basically.
I say PTEC's pretty fun. It's very practical, so that makes it more, you remember it longer because you're actually getting hands-on experience. And the way it's being taught makes it easier to remember, and you can actually just access it even from home or like when you're not even doing it in school.
And in my opinion, PTEC is very good because you get to apply things you learned on paper before and you get to apply it to the real world.
PTEC has been a great adventure. It's taught me many things, and it's really challenged me to become a better person in the tech industry, which is the career that I do want to go in. So yeah.
My experience at PTEC so far has just been amazing. I doubt I could have gotten a high school experience like this at any other place in the entire province.
The amount of things I have learned from PTEC has been, amazing.
And what I like about PTEC is that it doesn't feel like work. It feels like a subject that you just have to wrap your mind around, and then once you've figured out the subject, it's honestly smooth sailing.
PTEC is super engaging. I absolutely love the material, and it feels awesome to be doing something that I really like to do rather than just kind of going through school kind of less engaged, kind of bored, and PTEC just really focuses on the things that I like to do, and I find it super interesting.
I like the material. I've always been interested in technology, and my family's always been really technology centric, but I've never really gotten the chance to learn about specifics like how to code. So PTEC allows me to learn how to code without going through a million different online courses that might just not work for me.
Just about every day at school, PTEC is the one thing that I can look forward to because everything else does not even compete, really.
The routine's nice and consistent, and so usually we'll start out the day in your host high school, which for me is Oak Park, and then you'll head over to PTEC and start learning about either cybersecurity or software development, depending on where you are in the year.
And then the mentorship program is really interesting. We just started it in grade 10, and I found it really interesting to get to work with members within the community and get to have actual people in the actual fields helping us out.
Industry Wednesdays are by far the best because you actually get to see people and hear about their education and what they've done.
Also, the teachers have been amazing. They're incredibly helpful, and they're always pretty funny, to be honest with you.
But the teachers at PTEC are really nice and really understanding. Before I came to PTEC, I had a lot of teachers who were really mean to me, and they focused more on my difficulties than they did on the stuff that I was good at. And the PTEC teachers, they were just really nice, and they tend to focus on the stuff that I'm good at and less of the stuff that I'm bad at, and they helped me. I got a lot of accommodations that I really used that really made my school look a lot easier and me do better in a lot of my school because my teachers were willing and happy to accommodate for me, and that's really special. So
PTEC is a great place
I thought coding was going to be like a lot harder and I wouldn't catch on, but the teachers, the way they teach it is like very understandable, and if you have questions you can just ask them.
It's kind of fun because you're around people who are also starting off as you. Some of them might be more advanced, and it's not really as intimidating as you think because everyone's kind of starting off on the same foot.
The deadlines are really, they're really fair and stuff. The assignments are really well thought of. Like the way you learn how to actually do these stuff, like coding, is really easy to like follow and stuff. And some stuff that you might think is like, oh, this is kind of easy while we're learning why we're learning this, will become like building blocks for what to do like later on, and you'll be able to like appreciate, I guess, like how they're teaching you stuff.
The larger projects are good, a chance to actually show your skills instead of just doing small tasks. You can sort of take your own angle on it like you wouldn't be able to in a normal school project, which gives you lots of opportunities to experiment with things.
It's a lot of problem solving. And there's always going to be, no matter how good you are at problem solving, there are always going to be some that you get stuck on and you just need to take more time to work on. So there have definitely been some little bits here and there where it's taken me a while to feel like, oh, that's how to do it. But then I know how to do it afterwards, so.
One of the biggest things I've struggled with is problem solving, and PTEC has been a great help in learning how to problem solve and just how to overcome problems that I guess I just wouldn't have known before.
Sometimes it can be challenging sometimes, especially if you do something wrong, because the little semicolon, if you miss that completely, it's just like, no, it's not gonna work. So that's like the one annoying part of it. It's like if you miss one little thing, it's just like, oh yeah, no, your code's not gonna work now. But yeah, it's like, I think Mr. Pierce said before, sometimes once you learn things, one day it might just end up like clicking to you. So once it does happen, it's like you just like are just like towering right through it. You just like tray just go like pew.
And at first it'll be very challenging, but you just need to pick up the pace and try to find solutions, like not from asking a teacher, just from like your own perspective. Try to look for different ways to solve a problem. PTEC is about like critical thinking. We need critical thinkers, and if you're a critical thinker, I think this project will be like very good for you.
We have started Unity and like we created Space Invaders. That was pretty cool, and I liked how like we could like shoot the aliens, and like I didn't think I'd be able to do that, but I actually can. So if you're into tech, I recommend this. But if you're going into PTEC, do remember that it is definitely a heavier workload. And this year I pretty much called it the year of tests. I feel like I have a test every few days. So if you're gonna do it, please don't procrastinate, get on it, and overall just have a good time.